Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your analytics reports with Supermetrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Supermetrics and log into your account. Select the data source you want to verify, whether it's Google Analytics, Facebook ads, or another platform. Navigate to the reporting tab and choose the report you need to check. Open the specified report in Supermetrics. Note the key metrics displayed in the report, such as sessions, page views, or conversions. Next, open the native platform, like Google Analytics, in a separate tab for comparison. Locate the same report in Google Analytics that corresponds to your Supermetrics report. Ensure you set the same date range in both Supermetrics and Google Analytics. Compare the key metrics side by side. If any discrepancies arise, investigate further by checking filter settings in both platforms. Look for any custom segments or filters that may alter the data in one platform. Adjust the date ranges if needed to ensure consistency in your comparison. Take note of any differences and understand the reasons behind them. Review any additional settings in Supermetrics, like data limits or sampling, that could affect your report. If everything matches, your Supermetrics report is verified successfully. If discrepancies remain, consider examining your data collection methods in both platforms. Document your findings for future reference. Repeat this process periodically to maintain data integrity across platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.